Good morning, students. Today we will continue our topic of the chapter Delhi Sultan. Here we will start the garrison town to empire. First of all, the title of garrison town to empire, we have to learn the meaning of garrison. Garrison town means, remember, last year in history we read fortifieds of Mahajanpadas. Remember that term? Fortified means which are secured by the army, military, or some guards. And fortified means like a fort they have been constructed. So here, the garrison town to empire, an expansion of Delhi Sultanate. Sultanate means it come from Sultan word, that is Sultan. You see, then eight Sultanate means where the Sultan is ruling. Expansion, spread. How they were spreading the area of Delhi, because today, when at present time we see Delhi is you can say less than it is not a less than a kingdom or a state. It is you can say far and wide spread it, but earlier the expansion was not much. But when people start coming in India and ruling from the northern part, the expansion took place. So here this map you see that because it is physical map of India, so nearby region, all these dots you see that they come under the expansion of Delhi. Means the connectivity of Delhi till you can say here, and by the Google map if you see, so you will see that particular Delhi, you see that this map, this particular icon is given and how it is connected to other region. So let's begin. In the early 13th century, the control of the Delhi Sultan rarely went beyond heavily fortified town occupied by garrison. The Sultan seldom controlled the hinterland of the cities and therefore depend upon trade, tribute, or plunder for supplies. Plunder means whatever they looted from others. So in early 13th century, the beginning of, because Razia Sultana we read, she was in 12, uh, nearly 1236 and lastly 1240. So after that, some weak rulers were there because dynasty you can say the slave dynasty is going to be end. So in that period of means in the beginning of the 13th century when Razia was ruling, so the control over Delhi Sultan rarely went beyond heavily fortified towns occupied the garrisons. The Sultan seldom controlled the hinterland. Hinterland is a word. The land adjacent to a city or a part supplied with goods and services means it became the central point. Central point, or you can say the hub. In today's meaning, the hub we say central point means the central point where the ruling, you can say the trade activities used to take place. Of the cities, many cities were connected with that, therefore dependent upon the trade. Means on Delhi, people were depending on like this. Delhi people were depending on for the tribute. Tribute, you understand? Last year we read tribute means a kind of thing which is you can say manufactured by the craftsmen or any other people who want the support of the king. So they used to bring some gift to the ruler, or the plunder or supplies means whatever they get at that time they used to offer to the sultan, or they brought it Delhi. Control garrison towns in distance Bengal and Sindh from Delhi was extremely difficult. Rebellion, war, even bad weather could snap fuzzle communication routes. we can see here. So controlling garrison town, these garrison town, fortified towns in the distance, Bengal and Sindh. Sindh, you can understand where is Sindh. If we know that Sindh, the Sindh river, Indus Valley, where it took place, Sindh, it is in Pakistan at this present time. Sindh and Delhi was extremely difficult. Rebellion, war, even bad weather could snap means like could snare Farzil communication routes, like the connectivity was not too good, but Delhi authority was also challenged by Mongol invasion. Means in simple word, if I say, firstly we read this paragraph, then I tell you, from Afghanistan and by the governors who rebelled at a sign of the Sultan's weakness, and the Sultanate barely survived these challenges. Its consolidations occurred during the reign of Ghiyasuddin Balban and further expansion under Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Yeah, Mahmud Tughlaq. Now, we see that particularly to understand this paragraph, we go to each and every point, like Delhi was particular reason, but it was not safe and secure. It has the danger from all front reason. Means Mongol from China, or you can say from Afghanistan and Central Asian country, it was having a terror of invasion. Invasion means attack. So means it came under the threat of attack. So that what happened by the governors who revealed any sign of Sultan weakness. You know that during the period of Iltutmish, when he was not having a good son to rule, he made his daughter as a ruler of the Sultanate of Delhi. So in that, when everyone knew that women cannot rule properly, so this was the time when you can say they knew about the Sultan weakness, and consolidate occurs during the reign of Ghiyasuddin Balban. This was the slave dynasty period, and till the time of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, it has happened. Means the attack from the northern side generally used to take place in Delhi. Most of the money, or you can say treasure, was spent over the security or maintenance of the Sultanate. So till here we read this, otherwise video will be lengthy. In the next segment we'll see